That's spoiled milk.
Oh my God!
Oh my,
Welcome back to the Oh My Mod channel. Today we are creating a new series called Ask Ohm, where you guys submitted some questions via Twitter when I asked for them, and well, now you're going to get the answers. That's right. All of your life's greatest questions. I'm here for you. So without further ado, let's just get right into it, shall we? DJ Wally Walrus commented and asked, "Why can't we colonize Jupiter instead of Mars? I'd much rather a planet not afraid of commitment than a barren, more than likely cat lady planet." This is a magnificent question. As a matter of fact, there's a reason why we do not colonize Jupiter. Well, for instance, it doesn't sound very cool. I mean, we have movies, Mars Attacks. You're gonna name it Jupiter Attacks. It just sounds feminine. It's not harsh enough. It's not cool enough or edgy enough. I mean, Arnold Schwarzenegger, what, he's gonna travel to Jupiter and have all these showdowns, huh? You know what I'm saying? Look at the Mars bar. Would you rather a Mars bar or a Jupiter bar? I mean, it just sounds more appealing in general. And never mind that, but if you're referring to, you know, say zodiac signs, that's cringe. Next question. Greenie commented, "Would you rather be a giraffe or a kangaroo?" Seeing as though I'm already tall as it is, and I got this like kind of yellowy hair going on here, I'm kind of already experiencing the giraffe life. Look at this neck. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty tall and skinny, so I think I would like to go with the kangaroo, the kangaroo, because well, giraffes are slow and tall and lanky and only eat leaves, and kangaroos are cute and can fight.
Welcome to fucking Outback Fight Day. Here we have a human charging into battle like he's William Wallace. What's the problem, mate? Come on. Oh!
He got punched in the mouth by an Aussie and took it. Piss off, Chris Hemsworth. Next question. Grant asks, "Why are you so hot?" Well, Grant, tends to be a little bit more humid up here in the Northeast. Greenie asks, "Do you have milk?" Do I have milk? And DJ also responded to Greenie's comment with, "That's spoiled milk." Beastly Beck asks, "Will YouTube fix issues with views and I'm assuming algorithms. Will YouTube fix issues with views and algorithms? What the deal with DLive?" Well, see, here's the thing with YouTube. We have this relationship, okay? YouTube is like your girlfriend, okay? And things can get very complicated at times, but as long as you guys discuss it and try to fix those issues, you can press on. Now, so let's say that YouTube is like a girlfriend, right? Okay, so we put YouTube over here. This is kind of the relationship that we have with YouTube at the moment. You know, we kind of need to fix things, girl. We need to fix things. And then you have DLive. And if we're going to compare the two, then you have your relationship, and then you have this random whore that just like popped up out of nowhere, just this slut. And that's the deal with DLive, in my opinion. DLive sucks balls. Next question we had Steven with, "Why did you start streaming?" Well, Steven, it's a funny story. A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, The Cold War had hit Mars and Stalin was about to take over with a vast array of communism and torturous tactics. It was without a doubt Ohm needed to save the day with stupid videos plaguing YouTube. Callie asked, if you fart and burp at the same time, would it make a vacuum in your tummy? Well, Callie, I think in order to actually dissect this question and get the full scientific answer, we need to dive into Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Let's take a look, shall we?
Trouble, Charlie! I can't stop! Ooh, I'm going down! Quick, Charlie! Burp! Burp!
Now, as you can see, they drink the potion. It makes them rise. They burp. They come down. They fart. They come down. If they were to do both at the same time, it would open a portal for a time continuum vortex. I think we all know this is how Michael J. Fox actually traveled to 1989. It's true. It's true. Didn't need a car. Just needed to burp and fart at the same time. Steven asks, what will streaming be like in 10 years? I think we all know.
Cool, yeah? No, it's not cool.
JD asks, who inspired you to stream? Well, the funny thing is that nobody inspired me to stream, actually. I've just always been a massive ass goofball, and I decided that one day I figured I'd try out YouTube while I was being an asshole and goofball on the video games. And, now here I am. Making this, all this good quality content. Steven asked, tell us what the Own My Mod game would be like. I'm gonna let you guys' imagination run wild with that one. Didn't. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Tank asked, what would you say is a good amount of time to stream a day? I used to stream about 8 to 9 hours daily. When I realized that it was getting me absolutely nowhere on YouTube and that I was just bringing my behavior and my outlook on life down, I said fuck it, and I just started making stuff that I like doing, and it seems to be working out okay for me. Do you? You know what I mean? I think it's subjective. If you enjoy doing it, do it as much as you can. If it starts to become a hindrance, meh, fuck it. There's always tomorrow. Then DJ hit us with a series of questions. Where do babies come from? Why are a group of gooses called geese, but a group of mooses not called meese? Some fucking Dr. Doolittle, Dr. Seuss bullshit is that. Do women actually fake it in serious relationships, or just casual relationships? Well, let's start off by answering the first question. First you get yourself a fine bottle of wine. Okay? You take that bottle of wine, you go to SeaWorld, you dump it on into the pool. And that's how baby dolphins are made. It's true. Now, the next question. Why are a group of gooses called geese, but a group of mooses not called meese? First, you'd have to ask Dr. Seuss, because yeah. Secondly, let's say you had a group of mice, and they met up with a group of moose. if they were to have a party, would that be a moose, mice, meese party? Disney's just gonna, I know Disney's just gonna claim this because I even said the word mouse on a YouTube video. Fuck off, Mickey. Next question. Do women actually fake it in serious relationships or just casual relationships? Well, my friend, from experiencing both the single life and the married life, I can tell you from experience, they probably fake it in both. I don't know, but I'm just going to assume, you know. Anyhow, gang, that's going to do it for this episode of Ask Ohm. I really appreciate you guys for submitting those questions to me. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching. If you could, please smash that like button, subscribe, share with your friends. As soon as I get more questions in, the sooner you'll get a video. So, again, thank you so much for tuning in. Smash like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Chickadee, chickadee, chow.